Morning, guys. We're getting ready to head to church. Got the truck loaded up. Just came out to look at the garden. I sprayed some weeds in it yesterday with some 2,4-D, and I only did a couple rows because I'm spraying around some corn. Not really spraying the corn, but you know, I wanted to test it before I sprayed everything, and it looks like it's doing pretty good. See what it looks like before. These rows have been sprayed here, these 2 rows, and it's wilting pretty good. I see one sprig of corn down here that's kind of laid over. I don't know what the deal is with it. I don't think it's because of the spray. So that's good. And I knew 2,4-D shouldn't bother corn, but I wanted to test it before I just went hog wild and just sprayed everything we got. So, all right, guys, come along with me. I'm going to church first thing this morning, and then we're gonna get a big trailer. Come along for the ride. All right, Ginge, you ready to load up? Yeah, I know. You can't quite get up there anymore, can you? Back in the day, I feel the same way. There's a lot of things I used to be able to do, can't do now. Up in there, girl. You excited? Are you excited? And I still got all my legs and arms, so. And we're rolling, ladies and gentlemen. There's the loot from yesterday. I gotta do just a little bit to it and it'll be ready to use. Alfalfa's about ready to cut again. In fact, I'm thinking I may go ahead and cut it in this window. I don't know what I've been thinking. All right, we're here. We got up here. Show you guys how my gooseneck hitch works. The brand of this is a Una Goose, and it's like a quick coupler on for a hydraulic fitting. So that drops in, locks in, and then your chain's attached to this here. You just push it on there. There you go. Now we're ready. All right, I think that's high enough. Just stay in there, Ginge. We're gonna have to load back up anyways. Okay, girl? Stay in there. Okay. We'll just put you back in. Hopefully I got her up high enough. I'll tell. All right. Lined up. Check this out. Up, down. That's for the jacks. Let's try it. All right, we're gonna check the lights here right quick. Turn signals on, running lights are on, turn signals are working. See if I can handle this beast. What am I kidding? I'm driving a Ford. Of course I can handle it. All my co-pilots are out, guys. That's good. Okay, we'll put this away for now until we load it, and then we'll have to push the other button. Be careful not to fall through that crack there, okay? Might need to watch it, honey. Yeah. Better look out. Chains off. This thing unloaded. We'll talk about it. Okay. You ready to get this tractor off there? Yep. All right, let's get her fired up. Okay, push that button. Hold it. Nope, push it and hold it. There you go. Keep pushing it. Yeah. Push it. Push it real good. Good job. Now we gotta put it up. He likes putting the ramps up on Steve's trailer better than my trailer, don't you? Alright guys. We got the new Oliver home. We're gonna go over that later. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this alfalfa. It's about 5 days early, but we got a whole week of drying weather right now. And if I wait till it's ready, then I've got about a week or two of rain. So we're gonna cut it now. Won't hurt anything. Probably what most it'll hurt is the new planting of teff. But hopefully some of it will survive. But we're gonna cut this real quick, and we're gonna take this trailer back to Steve. Then me and Bethany and the kids are gonna go grab a bite to eat. So we'll see if we can knock this out here right quick. Of course, it never hurts to go ahead and cut the yard while we're going. Beat my lawnmower. All right, lay into some alfalfa here. It's all cut. Take the trailer back. We're gonna grab a bite to eat. Ready, Cade? Yep. It's a lot nicer riding in here with the air conditioner on, isn't it? A little bashful. How's it smell, Cade? Does it smell good? Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's good stuff there, isn't it? All right, let's load up, Kay. Let's get in the truck. All right, guys, we're gonna take this trailer back. This is probably gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. It's been kind of all over the place. I actually just decided to cut the alfalfa here like 15 minutes before I cut it. Tomorrow or some other day, maybe when I'm getting ready to use the Oliver, we'll go over that. I'm sure most of you know very well what an Oliver 1650 is, but that's the new addition to the farm here. I needed a tractor that's a little bit bigger, basically between the two tractors that I have. I was wanting one with a loader, but this one here, the price is right. It's got a rebuilt engine, all that good stuff. It's big enough I can square bale with it. It's big enough I can safely run the stacker with it, and then any other thing in between there besides probably running my disc and this disc bind. So, but everything else it could do, so it's a good thing. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. God bless you. God bless America. Franklin County Forage out.